Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I had William, my little friend, my little cystic acne friend, he was in town this week and visiting me. So he's on his way out, but he was hanging out with us for a little while this week. And so now he's on his way out. I did cover him up. Just wanted to throw that out there in case somebody was like, what is that? It was my little cystic acne friend. He was hanging out right there. Now he's on his way out. Okay. So in today's video, sorry guys, it's early. I am like tired. Is it Wednesday? Good, because the week's halfway over. I'm ready for Friday. Please, please, Friday. All right, so this morning I'm getting ready. I still needed to put on my blush, and this I thought was a perfect opportunity for me to film a video and show you guys how I apply my cream blush and bronzer, because I feel like I've never done a dedicated video to it, and there's a specific way that I like to do it that I feel is very flattering and that I like the way that it looks. And you may have seen other people do it this way. I wouldn't say this is like my own specific way, but I just thought I would show you guys how I do it because I feel like it's just very flattering. I like the effects that I get with it, and you know, definitely tailor it to your face shape and you know how you like it. So you may like it a different way, but I personally really like the way that my makeup looks when I do it this way. So I thought I'd share that today with you guys. And I just went ahead and did the rest of my makeup, did something really simple. I'm not at all trying to do a lot today. I'm just trying to make it through this week. So let's go ahead and we're gonna start off by doing our bronzer actually. And I'm gonna be using this one. It's Lower East Side bronzer in Skyscraper. This was a gift from a friend, and I have been using it because I really like the shade. I like that it's a bit more cooler toned and it looks really good on me, so I'm enjoying it. And I use a e.l.f. small tapered brush for the bronzers, for cream bronzers. So cream bronzers are just a little bit easier to apply. You can contour with them if you want to. I personally don't really contour my face, but you can if you want to. So I'm just gonna dip my brush into that, and I don't need a ton, but I'll show you guys how I start by applying them. So I start right here first. So you can see this is my cheekbone. And so right under it, there's like a little hollow area. That's where I'm putting it. And you can see it's just very natural looking, doesn't look too bold or bright. And I just kind of work my way up to just kind of like up right here by my ear. So kind of like a C. This is just kind of giving us a little bit of a bronzed glow. Doing that on the other side, so cheekbone. And you can, you know, kind of touch and feel where your cheekbone is and then just go right below that. All right, so kind of working that in a C motion and then just kind of blending it up like right about like that. So you want kind of a C. That's how I like doing it because I feel like it looks the most natural that way instead of having just like a strip. Okay, and then I get a little bit more and I go in right about here, right kind of at that hairline. Just kind of blend it in a little. Don't need a lot, very light-handed. There we are. Then I also kind of go in right here along the jawline, and again, not a lot because I don't need a lot. Just kind of ties everything together. And just make sure you blend it out well. So I'm going kind of circular motions And then lastly, I just get a little bit on my brush, just a little. You can use a smaller brush too if you want to be more precise. I just do the sides of my nose very lightly, just to add a little dimension. Okay, and that's as far as I'm gonna go with my bronzer. So I just add a little bit just for a bronzed kind of glow. This is gonna be so easy. That's why I think you guys would really enjoy it, because it is easy. And then I'm gonna be using my Florence by Mills Glowing G cream blush. Now you can see I've used the crap out of this thing. I love it. And I have a special little brush. This is an old brush from Miss Glam. I think SL Miss Glam. Round blush P40 brush. And I just dip it in. Okay. And then I just go in right above where that bronzer was. So more on my actual cheekbone. But I go kind of higher, like a little bit, like right about here. So here's my eye socket. It's just like right there at the edge. And I find that this kind of helps to lift the face and kind of lift it up and out, make it look a little bit more youthful. There we go. A lot of people put blush like right in that hollow area, and that's just not flattering. I feel like it just kind of makes your face look sunken in, whereas this kind of lifts the face and kind of creates a more youthful appearance, which I really like. And then I just kind of blend it out to like the temple area a little bit, just a little, just to tie it all in. And you notice I don't go any further than like here. This is where I stop. So you apply as much or as little as you like. That's enough for me. And then what I do for my last little step is, because I like to create a really nice youthful glow, I just take a tiny bit of blush and I just put it right on this nose area, just as if you'd gotten some sun. See? All right. Perfect. And that's it. That's it. It's so easy, and I just feel like it looks very youthful. It really brightens up your makeup look, gives you some color, and I just think it's very flattering. So you guys can try these out with any products. You don't have to use these specific products. Any cream bronzer that you have, Makeup Revolution makes some good ones. I mean, I think all the brands now have them. But yeah, I mean, I think, you know, you could even probably go to like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, find some good cream bronzers. But yeah, just a good cream bronzer and a nice cream blush in shades that are flattering for you. And that's all you need. That's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. I hope you'll try out these tips at home and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if it works out good for you. I'll see you all in my next video. I hope you'll like, comment, subscribe, and give me a comment if you like short little makeup tip videos like this, if you find them helpful. That way I know to keep on doing them. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.